Welcome to Quality Drawer Components Limited, the top automated machinery factory for solid wood drawer components. We specialize in producing high-quality finger joint and glue panels, all made in-house. Our finger joint processing is done with precision machinery that ensures tight-fitting joints that are both strong and aesthetically pleasing. We use the highest quality wood to create durable, long-lasting components that will stand up to heavy use. Our glue panels are created using a combination of expert craftsmanship and high-tech machinery. Our team carefully selects the wood for each panel, and then uses automated processes to ensure consistent, even glue application for a strong, secure bond. But it's not just our machinery that makes us stand out. Our team of skilled workers is dedicated to creating products that exceed our customers' expectations. From design to production, every step of the process is carefully monitored to ensure consistent quality. The end result? Beautiful, high-quality drawer components that are built to last. We take pride in our work, and it shows in every product we create. Thanks for taking a tour of our facility. We look forward to working with you on your next project, whether you need finger joint components, glue panels, or both. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you with your drawer component needs.